categories is one way to define your WordPress posts, but what you can also do is you can define them out by tags with relatable keywords. So over here on the home page, if you were to go to post section right here, you can see categories, and under it you can see tags right here. So now over here what you can actually do is you can add in tags as you want. Let's say for example I'm going to go around and say something like fancy right here, just like this. You can add in a description for this as well, like fancy dresses, let's say for example, and then click on add new tag, and these tags are created as you can see right here. So similarly, I can add in other tags, like let's say for example learning right here. Click on add new tag right here, and let's say for example I'm going to say learn, click add new tag right here. So I'm just going to say student and add new tag right here. So now what I can actually do is I can associate this with post right here, and then as you click on it you will be able to see those tags as well. So let's say for example if I were to go around onto view right here for this particular tag, then you can see the post associated with that particular tag right here. But for the ones that I recently created, if I were to go ahead and view, then nothing actually shows up. But what you can actually also do is you can quickly edit this. So let's say for example instead of learn, I'm going to say learn well right here. Let's say for example and update, and then what happens is that that particular tag will be updated, and you can go around onto the tag section right here. So that is how you can go ahead and then add new tags inside of WordPress.com so that you can start assigning them to posts. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.